As he possibly can.
You seem a little excited?
Oh, only a little bit. You can't get much better than this, mate. Beating Collingwood in the grand final. What else do you want? You know what I mean? Like,
And 3 wins in 5 years?
oh, means a lot to the town. Means a lot to all the supporters. It's just great, you know what I mean? Like, goes back to 07, even 05 when we got beaten the prelim, you know. All this, the boys deserve it all. It's just great. It's great for everyone. It's just great.
Are you a bit sad?
Yeah,
Yeah. They did a good job?
yeah,
Yeah. Was it hard being around all these Cat supporters?
yeah, and annoying.
Any good win?
It was a good win, excellent win. Struggled a bit in the first half, come through in the second half and just tore it apart.
So you're a bit nervous at the start?
Oh, a little bit nervous, yeah, but couldn't be prouder.
Especially against Collingwood?
Especially against Collingwood.
Go!